In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Outlook calendar busy options on your MacBook. This is a very helpful tool for managing your schedule and ensuring that others know when you're available or when you're tied up with commitments. Let's get started with the process of changing the status for a single event, which will allow you to customize how your calendar interacts with others. First, you'll want to open the specific event you wish to modify. This can be done quickly and easily by double-clicking on the event in your calendar. Once the event window is open, look for the Show As drop-down menu. Typically, this can be found nestled close to the settings for the event's date and time. It's designed to be easy to spot for quick access. Within the Show As menu, you have several options to choose from, whether you intend to signal that you're free, tentative, working elsewhere, or out of office. By selecting the most fitting option, you effectively communicate your availability or unavailability to colleagues and people who might be scheduling meetings with you. Concluding this task is straightforward. Simply select your desired status and then be sure to click either Save or Send Update to ensure the modification takes effect. Now let's talk about changing the status for an all-day event, which is another option you might find necessary. You can either start by creating a new all-day event or, if you've already scheduled one, by opening an existing event that spans the whole day. Once you're in the event window, focus your attention on the banner located at the top of the event window. Here, you'll see the busy icon. Clicking on this icon will present you with options similar to those you saw earlier. Choose the one that best displays your availability for the entirety of that day. If there are other details you need to include, such as adding attendees, take this moment to do so. You can enter email addresses or additional information to ensure everyone involved is on the same page for the day's events. Once all desired changes have been made, remember to click Save or Send to finalize your adjustments. This action automatically ensures that your updated status and event details are saved and communicated correctly. That wraps up our guide on managing your Outlook calendar's busy options on a MacBook. Mastering these simple steps will allow you to efficiently convey your availability through different event statuses, ultimately improving your scheduling and coordination efforts. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.